Good afternoon, students. My name is Ragini Patel. I am a student teacher of FYBEd. Today, I am going to present my digital geography lesson for class 9. The topic of the today's lesson is transport and communication. This topic helps us understand how people, goods, and information move from one place to another. Okay, student. You already know about trade and movement of goods, right? Now tell me, how do vegetables reach the market from farms? Yes, good. How do we receive online orders at home? Yes, all this is possible because of transportation, right? And when we talk to someone live far away using mobile or internet, it is because of communication. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about transportation and communication. Okay, first, transportation geographical explanation. You must have realized that while traveling or transporting goods, we have to consider many things. There are many ways to me and means of transport available. There are roadway, railway way, waterway, airway, and pineapples by which, pipelines by which transportation can be done. Following factors should be kept in mind while selecting the routes and the means of transport. Okay, transport means the movement of people, animals, and goods from one place to another. In geography, transport is important because it concept connect resources, production centers, markets, and consumer. There are different means of transport such as a roadway, railway, waterway, airway, pipelines. Each means is selected according to the situation and requirement. Next page is okay. This is the factor affecting transportation. Students, transportation does not depend on only one factor. We must consider psycho, psychography, climate, yes, distance and duration, right? Cost and time, hmm, type of product, market availability. For example, railway are suitable for long distance and heavy goods, while roadway are useful for short distance. Next, benefit of proper transportation. Okay, if we consider the above factors, then our time and money is saved during the journey or transportation. Traveling becomes comfortable. The price of the good can be kept low if the transportation is affordable. Economic growth gets boosted. Per capita income PCI and gross domestic product GDP increased too. Transportation can be done from one station to another station using railways. The freight transport by trucks is what? Okay. Yes. costlier than railways. Yes. Then when transport is planned properly, time and money are saved. Next, traveling becomes comfortable, goods become cheaper, economic activities increase. This leads to growth in GDP and per capita income. For example, transporting goods by railway is cheaper than trucks. Next slide. Importance of transportation. Extending trade and network, rapid industrialization, availability of employment opportunities, regional connectivity, utility of site, decreasing religion imbalance, tourism development. Okay. Transports play a major role in national development. It helps in explain expansion of trade and network, rapid industrialization, employment generation, regional connectivity, development of tourism, reducing regional imbalance. Thus, transportation helps in maintaining national unity. Okay, this is the modes of transport. There are mainly three modes of transport: land transport, okay, water transport, and air transport. Each mode has its own each mode has its own advantage and limitation. Next, communication. Communication means like transportation, communication is also basic infrastructure. Communication means the exchange of information, ideas, and feeling from one person to another. It is a two-way progress. So it is a two-way process where the message must be understood by both sender and receiver. Importance of the communication. Okay. Spread of information and knowledge. Communications facility have developed now one large scale. This is not just limited to talking on telephone or sending message, but also video calling is available now. Role in education, in business, social, culture action, health in trade, no, commerce, save time and energy. Communication is a very important in modern life. It helps in spreading information and knowledge, education and online learning. Student and business and trade, social and cultural exchange, saving time and energy. Today, communication connects the entire world. Modern communication facility. Earlier, communication was limited to letter and telephones, but now we use mobile phone, internet, emails, video calling. These facilities have made communication fast and easy. Okay, मॉडर्न कम्युनिकेशन में क्या होता है, जो पहले कम्युनिकेशन था उसमें इतना लिमिटेशन था कि मोबाइल फोन या फिर टेलीफोन या फिर लेटर लिखकर वो एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट कर सकते थे। लेकिन आज टुडे इस आधुनिक युग में मोबाइल फोन, इंटरनेट, ईमेल्स, वीडियो कॉलिंग से लोग फास्ट अपना कम्युनिकेटेड हो सकते कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now, student, let's us revise what we learned today. What is transportation? Sorry, what is transport? Yes. Write down the answer in the chat box. Second question, name any two types of transport. Water way and airway. What is communication? Yes, communication is the exchange of information, right? Which is the fastest means of transport? Airway are the fastest means of transport, right? Okay. What type of communication can be done through mobile? Yes. How does transportation help farmers? Why is communication important during natural disaster? Think about and think about this question and write down the answer of this question, and next lecture I will check. Okay. Now last, okay, this so the importance of communication in daily life. So okay, write the difference between transport and communication. This is your homework. Students, please take your note and note down your homework in the notebook. Yes. Okay, student. Today we learn that both transport and communication are essential for economics growth, national unity, and development. Thank you, student.